Ma'am, I am going to present paper on a topic microbiological assessment of drinking water source in rural India. A cross-sectional study from selected villages of Bihar, that is West Champaran. Background. Access to microbiologically safe drinking water remains a persistent public health challenge in rural Bihar. Contaminated water is a major contributor to gastrointestinal infections and other waterborne diseases, especially in areas with poor sanitation and inadequate water treatment. Objective. This study aimed to evaluate the microbiological quality of drinking water from various sources in selected rural villages of Bihar and determine the potential health risks associated with microbial contamination. Methodology. A total 250 water samples were collected from hand pumps, open wells, tube wells, and stored household drinking containers across 15 rural villages in West and East Champaran district. Standard microbiological methods including most probable number and PM technique were used to detect the total coliform, fecal coliform and Escherichia coli. Observational data and household interviews were also conducted to assess water handling and storage practices. Result. Out of 250 samples, 190, that is 76%, were positive for coliforms and 138, that is 55%, for E. coli, indicating fecal contamination. The highest contamination was observed in samples from stored household water and open wells. Villages and poor sanitation facilities and improper water storage practices showed significantly higher level of contamination. A correlation was observed between the presence of E. coli and increased self-reported cases of diarrhea and gastrointestinal illness in children under 5 years. Conclusion. The findings reveal widespread microbial contamination in rural drinking water sources in Bihar, causing serious health risks. This underscores the urgent need for improved water sanitation infrastructure, public awareness program, and routine water quality monitoring in rural communities. Thank you.
Thank you for this study. Very, very good. It's very good study, very relevant in our country. So, how did you test these water samples? You had a portable laboratory or?
In Bettia, we have limited resources, and actually, I am the first PG of my college, and 2022 batch. So there is very less resources. So we we collected and we use MPA method, that is most probable unit. We use dilution method. We take a series of test tube, and we put our sample in diluted form. That is, if we drop 1 ml in first 5 test tube, then we diluted 10-fold, that is 0.1 ml. Then further we diluted 10 times, and we regulate them for 24 to 48 hours and see color changes. This is statistical method. This is not very confirmatory. We, for confirmation for 100%, we have to use plating method. But somehow this is so some picture that is most up to 90% correct. And for
why you collected only 250 samples or sample size calculation have you made any?
Sir, sample size calculation is taken consideration that 95% population of West Champaran is considered, and error should be less than 5 to 10%, and we cover the maximum population, and we have idea that maximum population fall in this study. Our statistician helped me to
What I asked you, another question that you collected from 5 different sources.
Yes, sir.
The
Yes, sir.
Before that,
Yes, sir.
Handpump, Obegoel, QL, stored housing, 4 bases.
Yes, sir.
From 4 bases from each base, how many collection was done?
Sir, there is no specific data from where if we go somehow from home and they uses well, then we
You
can.
told that from handpump, how many samples was collected? I was asking that, should have been mentioned.
Yes, sir. But here I am not mentioned that.
Because you found maximum in open well,
Yes, sir.
stored housing water, that's something clear.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Next, I would like to invite Dr. Pragya to present the topic Study of the Spectrum of Bone